So I wanted to show you the different options for screensavers here. So this one lets you run multiple modules and they would change every minute. And so here's an example. We'll do this for a minute, then the clock, and then the Westcap logo, where it would kind of put it around the screen and stack it. And there's a bunch of different modules you guys could set fairly easily just by going into Metro Tools. So if I go to Slideshow here, what I can do is I can put in different size logos if you wanted to change it up that way. The different options here, you can clear it, right? So here's an example of clearing it. So it just pops up. And that line, I think, is just an artifact. For some reason, every image I import has that line across the bottom. And I'm not sure why it's doing that. And that's the way that it was sent to me as well. Maybe it just shows you the orientation of the image. Okay, so that shows you just that. Now, if you wanted to run a little faster, you can uncheck dissolve. I think the minimum is 4 seconds. You can set the time, that you want that to move. So it could be, minutes as well. So if we do this, you'll see it's a little quicker. Popping from W to W randomly. Now the other options are centered, which means just that. So it just pops it up into the center. And it moves it slightly so it doesn't cause screen burn. And then the other one was scaled, which, makes it huge. So I don't think you want that one. So as I say, you guys could do this when I send it to you. It's easy to do. You just run this little app, Metro Tools. It'll make it easy to find. But we've got the screensaver working. Let me know what you'd like, and we will talk soon. Okay, and then, Metro Tools is really easy to launch here. It's got this little icon. I can even put it over on the dock over here. For example, we'll just take this out, and then I can drop in Metro Tools. Just as simple as that. Right, it's over here on the dock. So you can just double click it and it'll launch it. Makes it easy. And then to go to the screensavers, you just scroll right. There's a little icon with sunglasses, and that's your screensaver. And that's all you'll have to do. Then that's already set up for Slideshow. If you wanted to do multiple modules, there's a multi-module function, and then that lets you pick which ones you want to do. And there's a bunch of different ones. I think Metroscape is like stars, blob is just a blob, scribble, strings, etc. So I think we're good to go. If everything looks good to you, I will make a custom SD card and send it on the way. Appreciate your business and patience, and have a good day.